Hello fam, here today let me show you Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low OG Canary. Okay, we can see here the shoes features, cell, yellow and royal blue color. Here the tip, I stay, and the back made of the yellow color. Here new back leather, smooth and soft new back leather. The toe and the both quarter made of the cell color temple leather, and the both check is the royal blue temple leather. Okay, here's the back. Yeah, here's the back view. Yeah, the smile and the Jordan logo. The Jordan logo embodied stitching on the back. Okay, here's the inside with Cactus Jack. Here, Cactus Jack embossed screen printed on the inside. Okay, here's the tongue. Here, here's the yellow tongue with Nike Air logo and Cactus Jack label. And the shoes come with the yellow color wax shoes lace. Also come with two extra royal blue and red wax shoes lace as well. The yellow color lining and the yellow color inner sole with the drummer man and the Travis Scott logo screen printed on the inner sole. Cell color side wall and the gun rubber outsole. Okay, the cell color shoes box. Here, that's the box label. Okay, let me see the shoes again. You can see here the shoes looks perfect and clean. So if you like them, you can place your order on my site earthflycakes.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp. Thank you.